Hi, I'm Jeep Momma. And I've been living this Jeep life for just over a decade now. And during this Jeep journey, I have come across so many different Jeep accessories. As you know, we all Jeepers have our own individual Jeep needs. And sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. So I thought I'd share with you a couple of Jeep accessories that still work for me to this day.
Look at these cool pockets for your Jeep. JK pockets. They are the first real pocket for the JK and JKU. Finally, you can get rid of those netting pockets. The link for this product is in the description below. I really love my MoreRyde ammo can carriers. They go right over the wheel well of the Jeep. You can secure your ammo can on the shelf. There's the added bonus for the MOLLE bags, the panel on the side. But the really cool thing is the extra space in between the wheel well and the MOLLE panel. When you upgrade from your OEM plastic bumper to a steel bumper, those shackles can make a lot of noise. I found these Daystar D-ring isolators and washers. They help to minimize the clanging noise.
Links for these products are in the description below.